So the general flow of the album kind of goes like a sound wave, like this. And it kind of like I was telling Corey from Three Beats Later, um it kind of came about like the soft glow before dawn is like, so when I got my first MPC, like there was one night like, all right, like whenever I got it, I don't think I even had a manual, and there wasn't all these like crazy online resources that there are now where you can just look up a YouTube video and they'll tell you. Like I had to sit there and just figure it out by tinkering with it. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to stay up all night until the sun rises and make beats. And that's what I did, like, pull record after record, just make stuff. Um, and then I remember like, all right, like the sun's about to rise, I'm going to go out and watch it. And I just remember like feeling that it was like a substantial shift from, the nighttime, and it's like very quiet. And then all of a sudden, like the glow starts to rise on the horizon. You kind of feel like the the world's kind of coming alive. You can hear the birds, starting to wake up and chirp.